Hi, my name is Wendy Edwards, and I am the Executive Director at Early Childhood Academy Public Charter School. ECA was chartered in 2005 to support the growth and achievement of the young child. We're located in the Washington Highlands section of Southeast DC and primarily serve students in pre-K to third grade from the immediate community. Our unique focus is on the holistic needs of the young child, and that makes us an ideal learning environment for early childhood development. We have a strong focus on language and literacy, which we believe serves as the foundation for all other learning. Additionally, because we're a small school with under 300 students, we're able to develop a strong and supporting relationship with both our children and our families.
In response to the COVID pandemic, all students in grades pre-K 3 through third grade participate in 100% virtual learning. Our current virtual setting allows our students to participate in general music and physical education, in addition to the core subjects of reading, math, science, and social studies. Technology includes iPads, Chromebooks, laptops. All of those devices were provided to our families and utilized daily in our pre-K through third program to support and enhance students' learning.
And then any student that has been found eligible to receive an IEP, they also receive their services as well as services from their providers. Our providers have the ability to sign in to any Zoom lessons or to schedule time to make sure that students are receiving everything that they should.
I love virtual learning. I'm not really sure which I like best, but I love the virtual learning. I like the way Ms. Robinson and Ms. Seabrooks is able to keep the kids engaged. It was helpful that my son had a relationship with Ms. Seabrooks prior, but even though him and Ms. Robinson didn't have a strong relationship as him and Ms. Seabrooks, he still was able to develop a strong relationship with his lead teacher, and that may seem hard to achieve doing virtual learning, and it's mastered. They know a lot of material. They know more than some kids their age in other schools, so it's very beneficial to us. I love it.
Virtual Parent Engagement Committee meetings are planned throughout the school year to make sure our parents have a voice in school decision making.
Everyone, like from the front desk staff to the leadership, is very supportive when it comes to working with parents or supporting the teachers and the students. That overall is enough for me.
We are dedicated to our school's mission, and that is to equip all students with the knowledge and tools to become high achievers, proficient readers, and critical thinkers who will thrive for a lifetime as productive and caring citizens.